I'll show you how to properly upload products to your seller account in order for you to start making sales. So if you're interested, watch the video to the end. So if you're interested in for you to start making sales using this platform called Selar, which I've talked about so much on the platform on this channel, watch the video to the end. So I'm going to show you how to properly upload products, how to properly set it up, how to also do everything in order for you to start making sales and even for you to start making money online. So if you're interested, watch the video to the end. Go to this platform, selar.com. Once you're here on the platform, make sure you've registered and everything. Once you've registered, you'll be brought straight to your dashboard area. Okay, so you're going to go through the process of registration and verification and everything. Now once you have done all of those things, then now the next thing you need to do is to upload your products, right? So to upload it, you're going to make use of this section called add products. So once we do that, now before you even start uploading your products, there's something I want you to do. So come over here, click on the menu, and then come to this section. As in, go to the settings, go to this general store settings, and you're going to do some settings here. So you're going to enter your name, username, email address, just enter all of those, social media, phone number. All of these things is needed because even if you don't do it and you make sales, they are still going to ask you to do the verification. So make sure you do it before you even proceed to the next step, right? So keep watching as I'm going to show you. So the next thing is, so after you have done all of these settings, the next thing you need to do is here as well. So you need to come over to this section, then come to this I think settings, go to profile settings. You need to do all of these settings because they are very important for you to do a lot of stuff. So enter all of your details, and then once you have done that, the next thing you need to do also is come to this I think this wallet section. Let me see. You need to also enter your payout. You need to also enter your payout, what's it called, your payout details, right? So let me come to payout settings, and then okay, yeah, so you need to enter your payout information right here. So once you have done all of this, I've walked you through all of this stuff. Now once you have gone through all of this thing, then you go ahead now to add your product. So all you just need to do is to click on add a product. Once you've clicked on add a product, you have several options that you can choose from. So you have digital products, you have masterclass, you have services, subscription, courses, membership, physical product, flexible product, streaming. There are so many of them, and if you look carefully, some of them are require the pro plan, okay, for you to use it. Okay, there's another one that requires you to use this all these ones that has pro on it, they are going to require you to have the pro feature or pro plan for you to use it. So but with the free plan, you can have access to everything, basically digital products, services, subscription. These things are the most important stuff that people do on the platform. So if you want to sell services, you can do that, but right now I'm talking about digital products. So we'll click on next, and then once we have click on next, it's going to bring us to this section right here. All we need to do now is to enter all of this info for us to successfully upload our digital products. Now I'm going to guide you, so don't worry, keep following. So right now the first thing we need to do is to enter our digital products image. So I don't have any image to upload, so let me just work with this, but upload a very good image of your digital products, then give it a name here, very important. And after the name, enter the sales price. Now in my case, I have dual currency, NGN and USD. Depending on the one you want to use, make sure you enter it here. But if you're using other currencies, there's no need to include any other currency, so just enter the price here. I'm going to use USD, so I can say this is for $100. Okay, if you want to also enter a specific NGN amount, you can also enter it, but I'm going to leave it for USD. And then if there's a discount and you want to strike out, you can click that and then enter the original price. Let's say this thing is going for $150. This is going for $150. Now that I'm going to with this discount available, we're going to have sales of $100, right? So right now we continue. So after we have entered all of these things, now the next thing we need to do is to come to this normal section. So right here, we're going to enter our description. Okay, So right now we're going to enter our description here, and all the description we're going to enter has to be detailed enough to explain what the product is all about. So this is where a lot of people make mistakes, right? So they just enter a few things, but make sure you enter good description here, because it's going to help for SEO and also help people that don't know what the product is for to understand exactly what the product is for. So after we've entered that, the next thing we need to do is categories, right? So we need to select the proper categories. So after, we need to enter our categories. So how do we enter our categories? We have this section here, so just select which category best describe the product, right? So depending on the kind of product you're uploading, there are so many categories here, so you just select the one that best describe it. Okay, so once you've also entered the category, you are going to also require to select a subcategory, which is also what is required as well. So these things are very, very important. So you select that as well, and then now you have this section that says product variation. This product has many variations, so depending on what the kind of product you're uploading, if it has so many variations, just select this and then you go through adding different variants of the products, but I'm not going to go through that step. So now we have this upsell is if you have other products and you want to upsell them, you can do that. You have cross sell if you want to add it. This is a cross sell. If you don't know the difference between upsell and cross sell, tell me in the comments. I'll make a separate video for that. And then we have advanced options. So this is checkout call to action button. You can add a different call to action button. Instead of buy now or sell now, you can use purchase now, depending on whatever item you want. And then you can select all these other plans. Okay, so I'm going to continue. After that, you see give buyer access to a file. If you want to give them access to a file, make sure you enter the file here. If it's PDF, then you upload the PDF. They said the maximum size is 750 MB, so make sure you note that. You can always compress the file so that it's not too large, right? So now after that, you now go ahead to enter, as you can see, to upload multiple files of a bundle. You can use this section if you want to upload so many of them. Automatically redirect the buyer to an external link after purchase. So if you have a thank you page, you can automatically redirect them there, or if you want them to be automatically redirected to your WhatsApp, just click on this and upload the link, right? Just upload the link right here. So that's all. That's how you upload your products for your seller. Okay, you upload your product on this seller on your seller account. Now all of these things I've said needs to be done in details in order for you to get the best results. Now after you've uploaded your product and you have saved it, you're going to be given a link to the product. Let me go to one of my products and show you. So you're going to be given a link. That link is where you are now going to have your product link, and that link is the link you can give to people that want to purchase your products, right? Let me just use one of these. Let me use one of these products to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let me see. View public link. So with this right now, we can actually view the public link of the product, as you can see here. Okay, let me just see if I can get other products. Let me use this one. Okay, yes, so this is the public link of this particular product, and with that link you can actually share with people that are interested to buy the product. Okay, so right now we can actually now start promoting the link on our different platforms. So if you don't know how to promote your digital products, I already made a video on how you can promote your digital products. Check out my channel. You're going to find a video on how to promote your digital products. Okay, so with that method you can now promote it, and then you can now start making sales for yourself. So this is exactly how you upload products on your seller account. If you don't understand anything, the comment is there for you to ask your questions, and I'll be there to respond to you. So I believe this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so that you will not miss any other video once I drop them. Thank you very much for watching.